Okay, moving on to the next section of chapter 3. This is finding the equation of a line. So find an equation of the line given the slope and the y-intercept. So given the slope and the y-intercept, this is the easiest circumstance to write the equation of a line using the slope-intercept form. So remember previously we learned about the slope-intercept form, where m, the variable m, represents the slope of a line, and b represents the y-intercept. So this is kind of like a softball, okay, being lobbed at you. It's going to be an easy thing to hit. So in this first example, find the linear equation given the slope and the y-intercept. So here we're told that the slope is -9 and the y-intercept is at 0, -4. So here we know that the slope is -9 and the y-intercept. So it's at 0, -4. But remember, the second digit is the y coordinate. So then b is going to be -4. And the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And so we would have y equals -9x plus -4, or y equals -9x minus 4, just like that. And just for fun, what we'll do is we'll graph this as well. So you get some more practice. So I'm just going to set up a little XY plane. And let's see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's label your axes, X and Y. 5. 1, 2. Okay, so our y-intercept is at -4, which is right here. And our slope is -9. So remember, you can write that as -9 over a +1 or a +9 over -1. So because I'm already kind of down here in the negatives on the y-axis, I want to do a positive rise so that I stay on this graph. So I'm going to have a positive rise of 9. So we've got to here is 4, and then 5 more is 9, and then a negative run of 1. So it's going to move me over to here. So this XY plane I made is just barely enough, big enough to contain this graph of this line. But it's okay. All right, so that's what the graph of this line looks like. All right. Let's see here. This is the point 0, -4. And this is the point -1, 5. All right, so next we've got a think pair share. So rather than just create another video for this one, go ahead and pause and try and do what I did, maybe even graph it, because you can always use the practice. So go ahead and pause now, and we'll resume with this solution. Okay, we're back. So in this one, we have a slope of 2/3 and a y-intercept of +4. So we have a slope of 2/3 and a y-intercept. The y-coordinate there is +4. So we're going to fit that within the slope-intercept form. So we have y equals 2/3 x plus 4. Okay, and now let's graph this. So I will just create a coordinate plane. So I know that the y-intercept is +4, so I think I can get away with just going to 5 on each side of the axis. each side of 0, like that. Okay, and so we have a y-intercept of positive 4, and so remember, our slope is 2/3, and that's rise over run. So you may be thinking, well, it'd be nice to do a positive rise and a positive run. The problem is that a positive rise is going to put us off our graph. So to get a positive 2/3 slope, we could have -2 and -3, right? So that's going to give us a rise of -2, put us right here, and then a run of -3, which puts us right there. And then we could do it again, 2, 3, and have another one right there. So this is what the graph of y equals 2/3 x plus 4 looks like. And this is the point 0, 4. And this is the point -3, positive 2. And actually, this is our x-intercept, right? That's our x-intercept, and that's at -5, 0, right? Because the y is 0, and this is our y-intercept because x is 0. Okay.